welcome back to the channel. Today's song is called Kiss the Rain, performed by Alip Ba Ta. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. After like a long day or maybe even a hard week, it's like songs like this will really put your mind at ease and make you forget all about it. So it's like I'm really in deep with this song. I love it. Every time, Alip Ba Ta will put you there. He puts you in that special place of peace, humbleness. His performance always blows me away, and I thank you guys so much for requesting these songs. So definitely keep them coming. Until we meet again, thank you.